blowing, and occasionally heavy falling snow will reduce visibilities to near zero at times. Thunderstorms, isolated snow-producing thunderstorms, are expected to develop tonight, resulting in localized intense snowfall rates. It is not uncommon for snowfall rates to exceed 4 inches per hour in thunder snow, making travel nearly impossible. Road conditions will rapidly deteriorate during the mid to late afternoon as snow develops from south to north across the area. Travel is expected to become treacherous by late afternoon, and downright dangerous by early evening as winds increase, resulting in whiteout conditions. Snowfall rates will be so intense at times that road crews may be unable to keep primary roads and highways cleared. Unnecessary travel should be avoided at all costs this afternoon through early Wednesday morning, as more than half of the fatalities in previous Illinois blizzards have occurred as a result of traffic accidents. Before making the decision to travel, consider if getting to your destination is worth putting your life at risk. Power outages, the combination of strong and gusty winds along with possibly heavy wet snow sticking to power lines could result in power outages. Due to the prolonged nature of very adverse conditions, plan accordingly for the possibility of a prolonged disruption in commercial power. Other impacts, the heavy nature of the snow, will make shoveling very difficult and potentially deadly. During and immediately following the blizzard of 1999, over 40 people in the Chicago area alone lost their lives to heart attacks while shoveling the heavy snowfall. Take frequent breaks indoors, and do not underestimate the task at hand when shoveling. A blizzard warning means severe winter weather conditions are expected or occurring. Falling and blowing snow with strong winds and poor visibilities are likely. This will lead to whiteout conditions, making travel extremely dangerous. Do not travel. If you absolutely must travel, have a winter survival kit with you. If you get stranded, stay with your vehicle.
At 11 o'clock